Hi, I'm Jack and I'm back with a brand new video of Odoo tips and tricks. For this one, I want to show you how to filter, group by and export data. So Odoo does have inbuilt systems such as spreadsheets and dashboards, which we're going to go through in a future video. But for this one, I just want to show how you can organize and export your data. So this works on any type of list that you have inside of Odoo. So for example, if we go on to invoices, this is the list view here. And you can just search Deco, for example, and it'll bring up all of your customers' invoices there. Similarly, you can go on Group By and go Partner, and there it will have a drill down so you can see all of the invoices per customer. So as I said, this works for any type of list view inside of Odoo. So let's go on Leads, for example, go into List View. And to export it, you just need to click on this Select All button, Actions, Export, and then here it has a base template which is based on the headers of the list view. But if you wanted to add some, there's so many you can pick from, and they also have drill down as well. It's one of the beauties of having such an integrated system is that it's essentially a massive dynamic pivot table. So let's say, for example, we want to go date, and we'll go last updated on to see how active the team have been. And we're also going to add in source. So you can edit the order in which the data appears on Excel, and you can also save a template here by clicking New Template. Let's just call this one Leads Export. You can save it here, and now anyone in the company will have access to this export template. And you just hit Export. Do let us know if there are any other topics or queries that you have with Odoo. But yeah, catch us next time.